Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to reset the system cache after updating One UI 8. After installing One UI 8, Samsung recommends a manual system cache reset. You do this by entering recovery mode and selecting wipe cache partition. So unlike a factory reset, this does not delete your personal apps or files. It only clears temporary leftover files from the previous version. Now, if you don't reset this cache after a big update, your phone may feel sluggish, the apps might stutter, animations can lag, or the camera shutter may delay. So by clearing the cache, you're basically giving the new system a fresh start, which means you have smoother performance, longer battery life, less app crashing, and no random freezes or stutter. So let me show you how to do this. So here we need to go ahead and take a USB wire, connect the one end to your PC or Mac, and connect the other end to your S25 Ultra or your Samsung device. Now next, you want to go ahead and hold the volume down button and the power button until your phone shuts down. Now once it's shut down, go ahead and change that to volume up and the power button. Hold this until you see the Samsung logo. Once you see the Samsung logo, then you want to go ahead and leave the power button. And this takes you into the recovery mode. So now you can go ahead and use the volume up and volume down control to control where you want to go ahead and tap. You want to go ahead and find wipe cache partition. Now once that's done, go ahead and hit the power button and that'll select it. Confirm it one more time. Yes. And now you have reset your cache partition. Now go ahead and reboot your phone. Now after this, you can go ahead and disconnect your USB-C wire and this will restart automatically. So there you go guys, that is how to reset the system cache on your Samsung Galaxy device on One UI 8.